In this video, I will show you how to create additional case types. Every organization typically has multiple processes. For example, you may be using CRM for sales process, however within sales you may be having different sales processes. For example, sale of computer hardware and sale of computer software. Similarly, you may want to run support processes also. And these processes may be handled by different teams. So in this case you will need to separate these processes, and creating a case type helps here. In this system, I already have a case type for sales, and what I am going to do is I'm going to create a new case type for support operations. So specifically, what I'm going to do is I will go to Administration, and I'm going to go to this Case Configuration menu, and in it, I'm going to create a task template, and then I am going to create a case type. So let me go to Task Template, and I'm going to create a new one, so I will click on Add New, and I will give it a name, Support, and I will save it. For the sake of simplicity, I'm just going to keep 3 steps. First step is initial troubleshoot. Then, I'm going to add 20, testing, so let's presume this is some kind of software support process. The third step is of closure. And then I will save the task template. I will go back to the configuration again, and this time, I will create case type. So the original case type is already there. I will add new, and I will call it to be SUP1 for software support. Now, in this configuration, I want to specify whether this can be a subcase of other main cases. I am not going to follow any subcase or main case structure, so I'm going to say main case is disabled. This config states that a resolved case will get closed 20 days after it is set to resolve, which I will leave as it is. Is account assignment mandatory? If you want at the time of creation of case an account assignment must be done, then you should tick this. I don't follow that kind of structure in this system, so I will leave it unchecked so cases can be created without account assignment. Now, this is one important selection. What is the nature of case, whether it is a service or it is an opportunity? Since this is a support case, I will select it to be service. For sales cases, you should select opportunity. When you select a case type to be opportunity, for sales cases, it enables the pipeline calculation. Since this is a support case type, I will select it to be service, and in configuration prefix, I want to give it to be SER instead of case, which is default. We will see the relevance of this later. Here, I'm going to select a task template for support purpose, and I will save this case type. So this way, case type creation is completed now. Now let's head back to case, create case. I will give a name Windows Software Problem. Case status is open. Priority, medium, and here I will select for support. I'll go to the next, and I will add one contact. Now, you can see on this side, left-hand side, Windows Software Problem case has been created, and this had a different prefix than for sales cases. You will remember while configuring we have specified it to be SER. This case has 3 steps, initial troubleshooting, testing, and closure, as you see. You can easily create case types and task template in our system, and your team can start handling these cases. Now, one point to highlight is here. If I select the case type support, in selection, then only one case will appear. That is the one which we have created, just now. And if I change selection to sales, you will see only sales cases, but not the support cases. So if you have two different teams, they can easily filter the cases and work on the respective cases for which they are responsible. Explore Solastis CRM today. It is a better CRM than many others in the market.